Hey guys, I've been asked to review Tinycore Linux. I've never actually used it before. I don't exactly know what it's supposed to do, so I've just downloaded the ISO and I'm going to launch it in VirtualBox. We'll have a look at it and see what it does. I haven't read any documentation or anything, so we'll just have a bit of fun with it and see what we can do with it. Once it's booted, you get a very minimalistic desktop. As you can see there's hardly anything in the dock, and when you go on the menu there's only 4 items and 1 sub menu. We're just going to go straight to App Browser, Connect. We always install Firefox when we do things like this, so let's choose Chromium today. And there it is. So we'll click Install. I like this little information thing here. It's got a nice little change log as well, so you know exactly what version it is. Files it installs, that's quite handy to have. The dependencies. So I'll just click Install. I'll let it download. I'll pause the video whilst it installs and downloads. And now the App Centre's saying Chromium browser OK, so has it installed? I don't know, I think we're going to have to launch it from the command line. Yeah, make it default, whatever. Yep, it's installed. I haven't installed any nice graphical managers or anything, but it's working. Yep, it works. So yeah, that's quite good. So let's see what else there is in there. App Browser. Wonder if there's a way to show everything. Just click Connect again and the whole lot comes up. There's quite a lot on there for you to download. So you could build a nice little system up. It's even got mono packages if you want them. So yeah, you just build from scratch and build what you need. It's even got record my desktop in there. So if we wanted to record a video, we could. Just click install. It's as simple as that. And you can continue browsing whilst it's installing. I wonder if you can queue them, so monkey. It's still going, so it hasn't crashed, so it looks like you can install more than one package at once. I'm just having a quick browse around. Let's install Thunderbird as well. Let's just get a whole bunch of programs going. There's font files there and everything. Even VirtualBox editions. Vim. VLC as well. VMware Viewer. WebKit. Wine, it's even got Wine. XChat for IRC. There's loads in here. Look, even XFCE is in here if you want to install that. And it seems to be rather up to date actually, as it's still downloading packages. I don't think it's installed any of them yet though. We'll just let that run. I'll pause the video again. It hasn't finished installing all of the programs yet, but for every application that it installs, it puts them in Applications menu, apart from Chromium for some reason. And it also puts them down in the dock, which surprisingly has quite a nice animation considering the graphics for the rest of the WM are crap, but I suppose it's your job to theme it if you really want to. I mean, this is a minimal distro for you to build up from the ground, so I'm not sure that you're going to be too bothered about themes just yet. You do all that later. It's still installing VLC, and it does work if you make it install more than one thing at once. As you can see there, VLC's there now. And that's all the programs I wanted installed, so we can close that. Record my desktop. Look, we're recording the screen. monkey. Again, that's working fine. And for a 10 meg distro, it seems to have picked up all the VirtualBox hardware just fine. I know it's pretty generic, but it works. I mean, some full distros can't use VirtualBox properly. Yep, that's all installed. There's no window borders on that though. VLC. Yeah, and that works, and that's QT. So with a bit of theming you can get it to work, so that's good. It's quite a good distro then. Let's just have a look at the control panel. There's the control panel. USB install. So it installs it into a USB drive or a hard drive, so if you want to keep using it you can with that setup. That's good. That's really good. Then all the different configurations there. I'm not going to show you them all, but so you can start with a minimalistic core for 10 megabytes and build it up to whatever you want to. That's quite a good little distro then, isn't it? So yeah, I think you should give it a try again, even in VirtualBox, but learn it and you could probably create something quite decent, but just don't go and remaster it and release it as a completely new distro when it's not really a completely new distro. I suppose the intention of this is to either use it in a toolbox or to use it as your own OS. I don't really think the intention is ship it like with Master System that. But yeah, definitely give it a try if you want to. It's quite good. It's very, very simple. And it's decent. It really is, as you can see from the video. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video.